If your Gcash transfer failed, follow these quick fixes to get it working fast. First, read the exact error message shown on the screen. Step 1. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, open the App Store and update Gcash to the latest version if an update is available. Check your wallet balance and daily transfer limits under account settings so you have enough available funds. If everything checks out, close and restart the app, then try the transfer again. Ensure the recipient mobile number or bank details are entered exactly as provided. Confirm your linked bank accounts or cards are active, verified, and not expired. If a transfer shows pending, open transactions to view the status and any error codes. Quick checklist to run through now: network, app update, balance, recipient details, and verification. If the problem continues, capture screenshots of the error and any transaction IDs for support. Contact Gcash support via the Help Center or hotline and provide your screenshots and transaction details for faster resolution.